Moo Kids TV! Yay!
It's spree time! We're going to the zoo today! Can you make animal sounds? Let's go! The zoo, come with me. Lots of animals to see. Lion says roar, roar, roar. Lion says roar some more. Big mane, loud sound. King of jungle all around. Elephant stomp, stomp, stomp. Elephant trump, trump, trump. Long trunk, big ears swing. Splash, splash, everything. Monkey goes ooh, ooh, ah. Monkey jumps, ha, ha, ha. Swinging high in a tree. Monkey looks like me. Penguin waddle left and right. Penguin walks so funny. High, slide, slide in the snow. Cold, cold, brr, hello. Zebra stripes, black and white. Zebra runs so fast and light. Neigh, neigh, says hello. Off he goes, go, go, go. The zoo is fun, the zoo is grand. Animals clap, give a hand. Bye bye zoo, we'll come again. See you later, animal friends.